The Phinda story is incredibly special about taking old farmland and turning it back to a wildlife area.
I like our ethos, care of the land, care of the wildlife, care of the people.
Even in the community, I see all the kids showing interest.
Our community involvement is very unique.
I started working here as a porter. Now I'm a general manager for the South Lodges. I think we got such a special culture. We don't treat our guests as guests. We treat our guests as part and parcel of the family of andBeyond. Phinda.
Some of the groundbreaking work that's taken place here at Phinda is we've managed to restock most of South Africa with cheetah. Rwanda has restocked their lions, which went extinct about 15 years ago, with lions from Phinda. A lot of the rhinos that have been translocated to Botswana have come from Phinda.
I feel like I'm home, and without Phinda, I wouldn't be what I am now. Restoring the land, we've changed the lives of the people and the wildlife too.
This is our future of the conservation.
It's vital that we leave this world a better place.
Phinda means return. So even if they don't plan to come back, they'll come back because it means.